Hi, Topper Chef back again here. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make vegetable pulao. Okay, so for this, our pan is really hot. You can see it's flame. And as our usual recipe, we are taking 3 cups of rice, so 4 tablespoons of oil. And let this get a little bit hot. To this, we're going to add our cumin. As you can see here, our cumin, cloves, cinnamon, little ginger. We have a ginger paste recipe on that on Pinterest and also on our channel, and some cumin seeds. Okay, so you want to toast them really fast, and I'm going to put this all now. You can see. That's our onions and peppers. I want to get a little crunch with it. That's why I put peppers in it, okay? So now we got to saute this. We're going to saute the vegetables also and cook it a little bit so we can get the flavor of the rice, the vegetables in the rice. This is good for vegans. It's a vegetable pulao, completely vegetable. To this, I'm going to add my garlic paste, teaspoon of garlic paste. Saute this again. It's going to be white rice, so no more other kind of powders or anything like that. Okay, we want to use this maybe to eat with a curry or anything. So it's better to just keep it. You can't have spices in everything. So just keep this kind of plain. Let it saute a little bit more. To this, I'm going to add my vegetables. It's mixed vegetables. You can take fresh vegetables. It will take longer to cook, but this is frozen vegetables. So just mix it well. And they're already cooked, so you don't want to just let it mix about with the spices a little bit. That's what we are doing. Okay, so it's now sauteed on high heat for about a minute. And now I'm going to add my water the usual way I make my rice. So I'm going to add my water, let it come to a boil. Some people saute the rice in it. I don't like to do it because then the rice breaks apart. Rice cookery is very delicate cooking, so you got to be very careful not to mix it too much. So this is my recipe. To this, I'm going to add. Right now, I'm going to add some salt to it. One big teaspoon of salt, and that's it. Let it come to a boil. Okay, so now we're going to just remove the lid. Our water is boiling, and now we're going to add our 3 cups of rice, which has been washed really well, and the water has been drained out. Okay, just move this rice around very gently and on high heat. Try to evaporate this water. Okay, so this is about 3 minutes or so. All the water is evaporated, and this is when I turn my gas really low and just smoothen it up a bit and shut it for 20 minutes. Gas on low. Okay, if you've seen my rice recipes, 20-20 is the ratio. So 20 minutes is done. Covered it up 20 minutes after, and steam closed. is the product of love. Okay, that's why it's so long. There you go. Now you can see our vegetable pulao. All you gotta do is flop it up a little bit. See how the rice is so separate? That's how rice cooking has to be. If you like this recipe, of course, you're gonna like it. You have to go to where? The YouTube channel where you get all my recipes. Voila! The rice is ready. Happy cooking! Hi guys, Topper Chef back again. Now we're gonna taste our vegetable pulao, which I bought for you today. And it's simple rice, white rice with our kind of spices and all that stuff. It goes well with any other curries or anything. Simple. So if you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up. Join us on Pinterest, like us on Facebook, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!